I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start at the negative terminal because it removes the car's return path. Once done, you reduce spark risk. Put on gloves and eye protection. Remove any jewelry. Use a 10 mm wrench to loosen the clamp nut, then twist and lift the cable off. If the clamp is corroded, clean with a wire brush so the new terminal seats flat. Make sure to note cable routing and any heat shields. That prevents chafing or shorting when you reattach later. Once the old terminal is off, inspect the wire for corrosion or breaks. Cut back to clean, bright copper if needed and strip about 1/2 inch. You crimp a new ring or clamp terminal using the correct die so the connection is mechanically sound. Crimp first, then solder only if manufacturer permits. Slide heat shrink tubing over the joint and shrink to seal. This prevents moisture. Reinstall any routing clips and make sure the wire is not touching exhaust components or moving suspension parts. You reconnect the positive terminal first to restore circuit power, then attach the negative. Tighten the nut snugly, but avoid deforming the clamp. Once attached, start the engine and check for solid electrical behavior. Headlights and radio are quick indicators. If something feels loose, shut down and retorque. If the car still won't start, use a multimeter to check battery voltage and terminal continuity. This isolates whether the issue is the terminal, wire, or battery itself, which guides your next step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.